Today I'm going to make mushroom vegetable pilau rice. So let me show you first the ingredients that I'm going to use. So first of all, I have boiled the rice here. This is the basmati rice. I've already boiled and cooled it down, so it's now cool. And I need the mushroom. These are about 4 big mushrooms. I've cut into small pieces. I need 1 onion. It's cut into small pieces like we cut for omelette. And then I need about 2 or 3 small tomatoes. And then I have this mixed vegetable which consists of carrots. This is the sweet corn and green beans. Okay. And then I have here some salt because we take very little salt. That's why I've taken only half a teaspoon of salt. You can take a little bit more. And then I have here the Chinese salt, which is sodium monoglutamate. This is about 1.5 teaspoon because we're making Chinese rice, so Chinese, they do use a lot of the Chinese salt. Then we have a little bit of whole cumin seeds, about 2 or 3 green chilies. Now these green chilies are not very sharp, so it's okay. I need a little bit, half a teaspoon of, quarter teaspoon of about black pepper. This is 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we have, this is garlic paste, which is 1 tablespoon. And then I have ginger paste, which is about between 1.5 and 2 tablespoons. So these are the ingredients, okay? Oh yes, plus I'm going to use 1 can of this sweet corns, and I need soya sauce, right? And I need red hot pepper sauce. I need to cook it, I need olive oil, okay? Extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you wish. You can use sunflower oil or sesame seed oil or whichever you like to use. Okay, now these were the ingredients. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare it, okay? So first of all, I take a wok. In this wok, I will put a little bit of, first I put on the fire. Okay. Now I'm going to put on about a quarter cup, this much, about quarter cup, or say it's about 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the cumin seed, the whole cumin seeds in it. Okay. And let me, the oil is not warm enough yet. Yeah, it's getting warm now. As soon as I hear the crackles of the cumin seeds, I'm going to put in the garlic paste. You can hear the crackling. I'm going to put the garlic paste now. And I'm going to put the ginger paste as well. And give it a good stir. Now don't let it burn. Now I'm going to put in the onions. And these are the onions. I'm going to put it in. And then saute the onions. Now I'm going to cover it just for a minute or so. Just cover it for a minute or so. And just put in 1 minute. And after a minute, I'm going to take off the heat, take off the cover, and then add other ingredients. It's been a minute now. I'm going to open the cover. Now I'm going to put in the salt, and I'm going to put in this is the coriander powder and the black pepper powder, and then I'll mix it a little bit. And I'm going to put in now, I'm going to put in the mixed vegetables. Okay, so they're in there now. You know, they mix it nicely. Now I'm going to put in the green chilies as well. I'm going to cover it for a minute. Put in my timer for a minute. Okay, it's been a minute now. So I'm going to remove the cover and give it a good stir. And now I'm going to add the tomatoes that I have here. Give it a good stir again. And then I'll cover it for about 2 minutes. So put the timer on. 1, 2. So after 2 minutes I'm going to come back and then I'll show you the rest of it, okay? It's been 2 minutes now. So I'm going to open the cover, have a look. And now if you wish you can take off the skin of the okay. Right now here I have a tin of sweet corn. I have drained it and I have washed it, so I'm going to put this in now. Okay. And then mix it nicely. Right. Now if you remember, I had this yogurt. This is half a cup of yogurt, whipped it, and then I'm going to put this yogurt in here. And then give it a good mix. The full flame. The yogurt was cold. It's made the mix cold, so you have to give it more time to heat it up. So I'm going to cover it for another 2 minutes. So I put my timer. 1, 2, 2 minutes. Okay, I'll come back after 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now. So I'm going to open it. Give it a good stir. Okay. Now I'm going to put in the mushrooms. So these are our mushrooms. I'm going to put these mushrooms in. Finally, at the end, we put the mushrooms. And mix it nicely. Now with the mushrooms, I'm going to put in the coriander, the green coriander, and the mint, green mint. So I'm going to put in a bit more. And give it a good stir. And we'll put a little bit more of the coriander and the mint. It gives a good flavor. Now I'm going to put in some soya sauce and the chili sauce. So this is the soya sauce. So I will put in about 2 tablespoons. So this is my tablespoon. I'm going to measure. That's 1 and that's 2. Don't put too much because they are salty and it can become very salty. So mix it thoroughly like this. Okay. And then I'm going to put in 1 spoon of the hot pepper sauce, right? If you wish, you can put the red chili powder. Here is about quarter of the, okay, let's make it a bit more. Yeah, that's now 1 full tablespoonful of red chili sauce, hot chili sauce. Okay, now mix it nicely. And as we're cooking it, you can see the mushroom is getting smaller inside, it's shrinking, it's giving off its water. So we're going to put in the rest of the coriander and mint. Okay. Give it a good stir again. Now I'll cover it for 1 minute and then I'm going to put in the rice. So cover it, put the alarm for 1 minute, that's 1 minute. So we'll come back after 1 minute, okay? Okay, it's been 1 minute now. I'm going to open the cover. Have a look. It's almost ready. Now, you remember I had 1.5 spoon of Chinese salt, sodium glutamate. I'm going to put it in now, in the end. Okay. And then I'm going to give it a good stir. Mix it nicely. Okay. And now I'm going to add the rice to it. You remember I had some rice that I had boiled already and let it to cool down. I'm going to put that rice. Okay, so here is the rice. I'm going to turn it upside down and mix it nicely. The wok is a bit small for this much rice, but we'll manage, no problem. Now put the flame a little bit down until it's mixed properly. Okay, now I can put a little bit more rice. I have plenty of rice here. I'll put a little bit more, not much, just a little bit. That's it. The flame is low. I have reduced the flame so it doesn't burn underneath. Okay, now it's almost ready. I'm going to cover it for another 2 minutes or 3 minutes on the low flame, and then I will let it ready. Yeah, the flame is low. I think I will put it 5 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can keep it between 3 and 5 minutes, but in my case I think 5 minutes should be enough. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I'm now going to open the cover and have a look. Ah, it's ready. Alright, it's ready now. Good. So I'm going to mix this properly and I'm going to dish it out. So I'll dish it out and then I will show it to you. Turn off the fire and so I'm dishing it out like this, and then I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, so this is your mushroom vegetable fried rice. There you are. Now I'm going to taste it, see how it's like first, then we'll see. Okay. It's very tasty, very good. All you need to do is put a little bit more salt. We don't eat that much salt, so if you want, yes, you can put some salt in there. So this is it. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring in some more recipes for you, and also share it with your friends, and in the comments write down if you want me to see anything else you want me to. So if there's a request for something, some dish, just write it down, no matter it's French or it's English or it's Italian or it's Chinese or it's Indian or Pakistani or Arabic, any dish, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.